In this video, I'm going to show you how to add subtitles after editing in Recut. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle. Once you have uploaded your video to Recut and it has removed all the silences, you can then go to the top right corner and export your video. Once your video has been exported, you can then upload it to a number of different apps. For this video, I will use VEED. Simply select New Project, then select Choose Files, and then select the video that you recently exported from Recut. Once your video has uploaded to VEED, in the left column, scroll down to Subtitles, and then select Auto Subtitle in English. VEED will then start generating subtitles for your video. Once your subtitles have completed processing, you will then see that your video has subtitles. You can then edit the style of your subtitles. Once you're happy with everything, you can then select Done and export your video. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.